Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. What are you doing, doggy? Welcome back to another unboxing video. This is actually take 2. The other camera died, so we're trying this with a phone. So please bear with me. This is a shipment from MajorSurplus and Survival. Locate them as MajorSurplus. I already took the liberty of taking out the manifest. Here's our logo for reference: MajorSurplus and Survival. And I'll probably save a couple minutes actually opening this. This is a very large box, so let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And see, we're just going to go from top to bottom. So when I first opened it, this was actually here across the flap seams of the box as a protector against any blade cuts penetrating through, so that's nice. And I'm going to reuse that as a backing for a picture frame. So right here, let's go ahead and take a look at this. These are listed as a 1 pair Swiss gaiters, and these would be Swiss MajorSurp. So let's go ahead and take a look at them real quick. I can see right away drawstring at the top, metal zipper with the midpoint attachment and plasticized teeth, and feels like plastic bottom there too. So let's separate these real quick. You can see the interior, kind of the synthetic material here. We got a label and these elasticized bands, reinforcement points there, and then we also have the understrap and buckle. So you can see how this will all go together, and then this rubberized kind of area that would go across the front for your on top of the footwear area. Let's see if I can get this zippered back up real quick. Come on. Yeah, nice and easy. Looks like a little bit of storage grime there. Not a big deal. And these might have been used at some point, but still really good shape. All the metal pieces are clear of any oxidation. So Swiss military surplus gaiters. Next up, I see on the top here we have 2 of the four-place mag carriers. Let's see here. Yeah. So right away I can see what appears to be some markings. Looks like 7 9s on both, and then different sets of characters to follow. A little bit of ink fading on the print there, not a big deal. They're 4 pockets each, using these wooden little dowel fasteners for the loops. You see the different colors of the hem material versus the body and flat material, and the straps themselves. Looks like we got belt loops, and then this expandable shoulder strap here. Let's see how these buckles are. I see a green painted buckle that is magnetic. It's pretty cool. So 2 of the 4-place mag carriers. Looks like there's also an acceptance stamp there, as well as there on that one. All right, setting these on top there. Next up, we have SKS RECON chest rig, 6-pocket pistol mag. So checking my notes here. So since I have the magnet still in my hand, metal buckles. That's a different item. Metal there, a little bit of rust there. We can take that off. Looks like a strap retainer. I'm not sure if this is meant to be flexible, but it is very stiff right now, so it may have aged a little bit. Set the magnet down. Again, we have the wooden dowels as the flap fasteners, and you can see the difference in material used for the hems, the loops, etc., versus the body material and the straps themselves. Here's another one of these retainers right there. So it looks like it came with two. And this would be worn across the chest there, and then these would cross lace across the back. So SKS 6 pockets there. 2 large pockets on the outside, 4 pistol mags on the inside. And just compare colors. You see how this one's more an olive color, and this is more kind of a lighter color. Different environment. All right, next up we got appears to be AK-47 chest rig. Don't see any metal. Looks like they have some sort of multi-layer vinyl, rubberized vinyl strap retainers here that are actually stitched together. Very nice. Got a little bit of staining here. I'm gonna give it a wipe and wash. You can see the set of characters there. And made in China. Little sticker added on. And looking here right away, I can see this pocket flap is rubberized. You can see the reflection in the light there versus the normal canvas ones. You can see the material there. So I suspect this one carried an oil bottle or oiler to keep the material from leaking. You can see the whole pocket is rubberized. Very interesting. Same wooden dowel, flap fasteners. And we can see 3 large pockets for mags in the middle with smaller ones on the sides. Looks like a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pockets. You can see an interesting way they attach the strap through here as well as here. Get a look at the back side. So give that a wash there. All right. Next up, moving here, we have a French Canteen cup and cover. So here's our cover there. I'm going to try to move the snaps. So I guess if you don't have the cup, then you would use the lower set of snaps because less space will be taken up by this large aluminum cup here. Good shape, no dents. Very nice. You can see the marking there. Oh, there we go. Very nice. Large canteen, no dents. Also maker's mark there. Not sure if you can see that. There we go. Okay, nice lid. Still got the stoppers. Needs a rinse. Chain attached still. All right. Threads on nice and loose and seals. Okay. That cover Russie. I have your canteen. Nice and padded on the inside. Very nice. So tuck that back in. It's got the loops here. Go around to a web belt. French canteen cup and cover. All right, let's take care of these small objects I see up here in the top here of the frame view. We have three, let's see if I can get this right, 3 packs of 10 match boxes, and these would also be a total of 40 matches per box for a total of 400 matches per pack. Okay, what we got here? I'm not going to open them, but yeah, 10 boxes. Mil-Spec Plus GI Adventure Gear. I guess that's your brand right there. Waterproof matches, weatherproof and waterproof. Stays lit while wet. Perfect for campfires or emergencies. Keep matches dry. Keep away from children. These are also made in PRC as well. Better work. We have a Romanian new 90-liter desert camo, tan desert camo rucksack. So let's see. I'm not going to do a full analysis on it. You can see it's quite large. Let's see, we have a back plate here that is strapped onto this pad here. Trying to make sure I got the top up here. So it looks like right away I can see we have extra straps into here. This is the assault pack. I can see already detachment points. So that's a standalone pack in itself. And this also has its own straps. Possibly be undone and then reattached. Possibly. We also have typical side attachment points, large side pockets. Let's see, drawstring, rubberized back. Pretty much rubberized full interior that I can feel. The bottom does not appear rubberized though. So here's also the bottom part of the frame. So top, bottom. All right, so again, just a quick look at that. Next, but not least, last in the box. Let's get this out of the way. Okay. Where's the opening of the bag? Up here. So this is also a Romanian new 90-liter rucksack. This one in Romanian Woodland camo pattern. Get this out of the way there. Also with detachable assault pack, so you can see the similar design, but this time again in the Romanian Woodland camo. Very nice pattern. So structurally the same. Again, that large top shoulder pad, lower back pad, the frame triangular shape, just like the tan desert one here. Packing material all around these bags. All right, so let's do a quick reverse summary here. Looks like we also have some desiccant material. Cool. So, new Romanian rucksack, Woodland camo 90-liter. New Romanian rucksack, desert camo 90-liter. And we had a whole bunch of rigs and web gear, but we also had this French canteen cup and cover. We had AK-47 chest rig. We had SKS RECON chest rig with 4 pocket pistol mag. And then we also had 2 of the 4 place mag carriers. And we started off with some used Swiss MajorSurplus gaiters. These all came from these all came from MajorSurplus and Survival. As you can see there. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. MajorSurplus and Survival. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage MajorSurplus tools and expanded topics. We also do a series of book review media reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.